Okay, so now let's get this straight and clear. I'm sure this guy is trying to come back with the same Barada style he used for Icon the first time. If not, why is he lying that he's the one that introduced Icon to many people? When is the other way around? Icon has already shot ITELE, Ekumeta, and Eledenikan before he even met with Tura Boy. And yes, it's true that Icon didn't have much clothes at the time he was rolling with those people. That is a sign of Barada. Some of you commenting does not even understand how deep our industry is. Go ask Dadianta. He settled their fight the last time they had issue. And this same Tura boy did not still agree. That was why Icon decided to leave their.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹ ti rí gbogbo nǹkan tí ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀rin Austin Emmanuel àti ìtẹ̀lẹ̀ arábìnrin yìí tuntun jáde o ara àwọn ọmọọṣẹ́ ìtẹ̀lẹ̀ ni ó ti jáde o wá blast arákùnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Austin Emmanuel ó ní ó ń gbàrà ìtẹ̀lẹ̀ dání tẹ́lẹ̀ ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa wàhálà ńlá ló ṣẹlẹ̀ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ látẹnu rẹ̀.
And he left. People should ask Madam Sherry, the mother of his ex-wife, to come and swear if this is a lie. Now that Icon has found himself and Tura Boy Abalis has already told him to go and look for Icon again if he wants to bounce back, instead of calling Icon privately and swallow his pride, he started dragging him publicly. He believed if he drag Icon, people will call them together and settle them amicably. And Icon will start calling him for a job. Nibo, no way. Go back and beg your wife and her mother. Everybody know that they were your powerhouse. And you know the truth because you betrayed them. Oh, Icon Damo. Oh, Delilah. God forbid. Because this is looking like a setup. You are lying comfortably. And the same gullible followers that your juju has caught, they are believing you. Don't worry, oh. The ones who know the truth among your circle, they are keeping quiet because Icon's success was already a threat to them. One jealous low-key want to worry opportunity. The video is still on YouTube. The ones that know the truth among your circle, they are keeping quiet because Icon's success is already a threat to them. The video is still on YouTube. When Icon said that, he did not want anybody to say that he denied being your friend. What he said was, "Ọ̀rẹ́ iṣẹ́ là ń ṣe," meaning that they are work friends. Now, if you claim that Icon is your friend, how is it that a guy like KB knows so much about your personal life? Explain that. He even talk about how you sleep with different ladies every day. The same guy boldly swear, Opura, that is your close friend and he knows you very, very well. How do you explain that to us? Which one Gogon is the real story? Arobani Baba Ito? Yes, it's been 13 years since you and Icon parted ways. Why didn't you tell us back then that you helped Icon? Why is it now that you're speaking? 100 million views. Call your show. Why is it now that you're speaking? His friendship by force. When he was rolling with you, the results were not good. They were not pure. It was hard for him to eat. Yes. So why did you want him back in your life? She was one successful person that came through you. Igi Arabe, branches Meloloni. She was one person that came through you and is doing well in the industry today. If your journey is pure, you should at least be able to point out one person. You see this quality that's making you so jealous and miserable. You have not seen anything, no? Kese leri kasakasambo. Now the last but not the least, Mr. Turaboy. Shori àwọn ológun àná yẹn jẹ́ kó dákẹ́. Know those people that sank with your ship. Let the successful person, the successful people among you come out to fight for you. Not those ones. I don't understand though. You said when he was rolling with you, the results were not good. Your life was not good. So why do you want him back? The person that was rolling with you, that your life was not good. When you guys parted, are you not supposed to celebrate? Please. If your journey is so pure, you should at least be able to point out one person that rise up through you. You see this coalition that's making you jealous. You have not seen anything, no. I repeat. And last but not the least, Mr. Turaboy, let the successful one come out to say, Not the one who has sat with your sheep. I repeat. If you are truly a good person and your star was pure, brother, how did you sank? And everybody with you sank with you. How? Please, save us that story. God light does not go off like that. The kind of grace I can carry, the oil on his head, you know, fit dry am. Oh, Mama Posini. So please, stop playing the pity card. And that barada, you cannot do it again, because this is called barada. When you're trying, everybody believe that it was always you, whereas you were actually using icon. Don't worry, I'm still coming back. And the gullible people, I'm expecting